K&M, kids and more. Time to play and explore, yay! Music time is here today. Come and sing and dance and play. Happy sounds are all around. Let's make music loud and proud.
Hello, friends! Do you hear that? It's very quiet right now. No drums, no singing, no clapping, just silence. But you know something interesting? Silence is where music begins. Yes, really. Because music is like magic that wakes up from quietness. And today, we are going on a fun journey to discover music and instruments. So get comfortable, maybe wiggle your fingers a little, because we are about to enter a world full of sound, rhythm, and joy. Let's start with a simple question. What is music? Music is the sound that makes us feel happy, excited, calm, or even like dancing. Music can be fast, dum, 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 or slow, dum, dum, dum. Music can sound like raindrops falling on a roof, or like a lion walking in the jungle. Music is everywhere. In the wind, in the rain, in your footsteps, even in your heartbeat. Can you try something? Put your hand on your chest. Feel that? That is your very own music inside you. Isn't that amazing? Now, music becomes even more exciting when we meet something called instruments. Instruments are special things we use to make music. They help us turn sounds into songs. Let's meet them one by one. First, let's meet the drum. The drum is loud and powerful. It sounds like footsteps of giants or thunder in the sky. You can hit a drum with your hands or sticks, and every time you hit it, it speaks. Yes, drums talk, but with sound. If the drum was a character, it would be the energetic one who loves jumping and running everywhere. Drums are often used in celebrations, birthdays, weddings, dancing parties, because drums make people want to move. Can you try tapping your table like a drum? Good job! You are already making music. Here comes a new instrument, the piano. The piano is like a big box full of black and white keys. Each key makes a different sound. The piano can be soft, like a lullaby, or strong, like a big adventure. If the drum is energy, the piano is storytelling. It can make you feel like you are walking in a fairy garden, or floating on clouds, or exploring a castle. When you press many keys together, it becomes a beautiful song. Imagine a piano in a quiet room, and someone gently pressing the keys. It feels like the room is whispering a story. Now let's meet the guitar. A guitar has strings. When you touch or strum them, it sings. The guitar sounds warm and friendly. It feels like sitting around a fire and listening to stories. Sometimes guitars sound happy, sometimes calm, sometimes a little emotional. If the guitar was a person, it would be a friendly singer who always has a smile. You can carry a guitar, you can hug it, and it will always sing back to you. Now listen closely. Who is that soft voice in the air? It's the flute. The flute is a long, thin instrument. When you blow into it, it makes a light and airy sound. The flute sounds like wind dancing through trees, or birds talking in the morning. It is gentle, very gentle. If music could float, it would sound like a flute. Imagine a peaceful forest, leaves moving slowly, and a soft flute playing. That is the sound of calm happiness. Here comes something interesting. The violin. The violin is small but very powerful. You hold it under your chin, and you move a bow across its strings. The violin can sound happy. It can also sound sad. It can sound like a hero running in a movie, or like a bird flying in the sky. The violin is full of feelings. It speaks the language of emotions. Sometimes it whispers, sometimes it cries, sometimes it dances. The violin is like a friend who understands your heart. What do you notice? All instruments are different. The drum is loud and strong. The piano is soft and storytelling. The guitar is warm and friendly. The flute is light and peaceful. The violin is emotional and expressive. But guess what? They are all important. Just like people. Everyone is different. But together, they make life beautiful. There's something very important in music we need to learn. It is called rhythm. Rhythm is the pattern of sounds. Like this. Clap, clap, pause, clap. Or tap, 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 tap. Rhythm is what makes music organized. Without rhythm, music would feel confused. But with rhythm, music feels like dancing feet. Music is not just sounds. Music is feelings. When you are happy, music sounds bright and fast. When you are sleepy, music sounds soft and slow. When you are excited, music sounds bouncy. When you are calm, music sounds gentle. Music is like a mirror for your heart. Have you ever heard a song and wanted to dance? Or maybe a song made you feel like hugging someone. That is music talking to your feelings. Now imagine something fun. Let's build a music band. We will choose instruments. First, the drums. Then the piano. Then the guitar. Then the flute. Then the violin. Now everyone plays together. Wait, that sounds like chaos. So what do? We listen to each other. We take turns. We follow rhythm. And suddenly, we make a beautiful song. That is what a band does. They work together like a team. Did you know music is everywhere in the world? In every country, in every culture, people make music. Some use big drums. Some use flutes. Some use guitars. Some use voices only. Even if music sounds different everywhere, it still brings people together. Music is like a big hug that the whole world understands. I want to share a small story with you. Once upon a time, there was a quiet village. So quiet that people almost forgot how to dance. No one sang, no one played music. One day, a little child found an old drum. He tapped it softly. People stopped. They listened. Then, another child found a flute. Then, another found a guitar. Soon, everyone joined in, and the village became full of music again. People laughed, people danced, and they never forgot music again. Because music brings life back. Now here is the most important part. You are a music maker. Yes, you. Even if you are small, even if you are just learning, you can clap, you can sing, you can tap, you can dance. And every sound you make is part of music. Never think music is only for big people. Music belongs to everyone, including you. Now our journey is ending, but music never really ends because it stays in your heart. And goodbye to you, little music maker. Keep singing, keep clapping, keep dancing, because the world always needs your music.
Music time is here today. Come and sing and dance and play. Happy sounds are all around. Let's make music loud and proud.
Hey kids! We had so much fun today! More adventures are waiting for you! But tap that subscribe button now!